Hi everybody! So this is just my second video out, just hoping everybody had a really good week, and I appreciate that all of you have been able to log into Google Classroom, and a number of you have completed both of the assignments that have been sent to you so far, so that's awesome, thank you. But this little video is just going to be a quick tutorial as to how to navigate through Google Classroom. I know a lot of you use Google Classroom already, and you've probably started figuring it out as we've been going along, but I'm still getting messages from a few of you who are not quite sure how to do certain functions on Google Classroom. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to do all of the functions both on the computer as well as on your smartphone, since I know a lot of you are using your devices for the assignments that way. So first thing, this is the main screen you would find on a computer when you were logging into Google Classroom. You'll have a lot more classes that are set up other than just mine. The district has asked that all teachers set up a Google Classroom by Monday if they don't already have one. So if you see any new Google Classrooms popping up, that would be why. So this one only has one classroom right now, just because it's the demo that I'm going to be showing you. So this would be the one class, all right? And if you look here, you can see that there are some assignments that are due on this class. The district is also asking us to put due dates on most of our assignments, so that way it shows up for you in these convenient locations so that you know what you would need to complete. So if I were to click on the class itself, the first page that would pop up is going to be what's called the stream page. All right, the stream page is just a list of everything that's really happened in the class for the entire school year so far, with the most recent information being at the top. So if you scroll down on your stream page for social studies, you'll see posts that have gone back all the way to the beginning of the year. On the left-hand side of the stream page, you're going to see your to-do list. So this would just be a list of any upcoming assignments that you have not completed yet and are still outstanding. Now, the best place to find all of your assigned work is actually in the tab that says classwork. All right, any of the assignments that have been given to you for this class would show up in a list here. It's going to have the date that the assignment would be due, and once you complete the assignment, it'll let you know that the assignment has already been turned in. So just to show you quickly, if you click on the assignment and you click View Assignment, you'd be able to see the list of directions that were given and any of the attachments to the assignment, which in this case you would have a video, which is a 5-minute video you would be watching. If you have any comments, you'd be able to write them here. However, this is going to go to the entire class, so anybody would be able to see that. However, if you have a private message that you would like to send to just me, there's a comment box on the right-hand side that you can respond to. Okay, I would get a notification each time that you sent that message. So we can have private conversations back and forth right through here. Once you complete the assignment, you would want to click Mark as Done. All right, when you click Mark as Done, it's going to give me a notification on my end that you have completed the assignment, and it's also going to take it off from your to-do list. So it's no longer showing on your main page as an assignment that you would need to do. It's no longer showing on your to-do list on your stream. And if you looked in your classwork tab, you would see that the assignment had been turned in. All right, it would still show up, but it just shows you that it's been turned in and completed. The assignment here at the bottom is a second assignment, and you'd be able to access that one the exact same way. And you're able to see that this assignment is assigned, but it hasn't been turned in, so it's still something that you would have left to do. All right, and I'm going to go back in and just undo turning it in so that I can show you the exact same workflow on your cell phone. Hopefully. Okay. All right, so if you're using a smartphone, I would strongly encourage you to download the Google Classroom application. All right, if you are just going into a web browser and searching for Google Classroom, that's fine. All the information will be accessed exactly the same way. There's no harm in doing it that way. But if you download the Google Classroom application on your phone, if there are any notifications, for example, me sending you an assignment or another teacher sending you an assignment or a teacher or myself trying to contact you, you will get a notification on your phone, just like a regular message. So I strongly encourage you to download the Google Classroom application. All right, so assuming that you've done that, the home page is going to look exactly the same as it would on a computer. It would list all of your different classes that you would have access to. All right, it's also going to tell you if you have any assignments that are currently due for that class. And if you click on that class, it brings you first to the stream page, which would be just like if you were on the computer. All right, the only difference here is there's no to-do list on the side of your phone like there is on the stream here on the computer. All right, just like on the computer, you would want to click on the tab that says classwork. All right, that would bring you to the same page here on the assignments. So it's going to tell you if you have any assignments that you would need to complete. On the mobile app, the blue little assignments mean that it's still outstanding, meaning you have not completed that assignment. I'm going to show you what happens when you do complete the assignment on the cell phone. So let's say we were to open up our assignment. Okay, once again, you have your directions. It's going to have any attachments that you would need. So in this case, you have the video here at the center part. And then in order to either communicate with me or to complete the assignment, you would scroll up. All right, this is going to give you the ability to send me a message, which would be right here. This would be our private communication that nobody else would see other than myself and you. And if you've completed the assignment, you can click the mark as done button there as well. Or if you just want to complete the assignment, oh, just kidding. Sometimes it says you can turn it in right from the bottom, but if not, just mark as done and you'd be submitting it. And then just close out of that. And if you notice here on this classroom or classwork page now, the assignment has changed to gray. All right, gray means that the assignment is complete and you've turned it in. If it's blue, it means that it's still an outstanding assignment that you would need to complete. So once again, you would click on the assignment, you would complete the assignment. At the bottom, you're going to click on submit work. It would submit it for you. You would go back, and again, that turns to gray, meaning that you've completed the assignment. When you head back to your main home screen, you're now going to see that there are no assignments due here. And then if you clicked on the class, under classwork, you have no outstanding assignments because they've been completed. All right, so I hope that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You know, you can find me on either Remind or you can send me an email, or now that you've hopefully figured out the Google Classroom application, you can go ahead and send me a message right on there. So just 2 reminders. 1, if you're using Google Classroom on your cell phone, I recommend downloading the application in order to do so that way you're getting the notifications to your phone. And if you're using the computer, make sure you are logging into Google Classroom at least once a day, Monday through Friday, for any updated assignments. I hope everybody is well. I hope you are safe, and I hope you are staying home. And I look forward to seeing you guys hopefully soon. But if not, we're going to try and figure out a way to maybe do a Google Meet on here over the next couple of days. So until then, goodbye. I miss you, and have a wonderful weekend.